Hey, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this. Ladies and gentlemen, I am David Squeezanic, CEO of the Link Up Media Group of companies. I wanted to focus on one of my companies today, but more so on you. What is your credit score today? Is your credit score above 720? Well, if your credit score is not above 720, you're not in a good spot in your life in the United States of America. And I wanted to talk to you about something. There are many credit repair agencies out there, and for the most part, they're pretty decent credit repair agencies because all credit repair agencies, we have to conform, ladies and gentlemen, to what is required of us where the law is concerned. And that is basically to make sure that the service that we're delivering is definitely true to your credit scores. So, with the consumer laws on your side, we can actually fight for you. But I want to speak about how other credit repair agencies handle their business in contrast to USA Credit Repair, the leading credit repair agency in this country. Well, most credit repair agencies, they'll do an assessment of your credit by pulling your credit report on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They will identify all those negative items, and then what they will do, and listen carefully because I know it has happened to a lot of you who required credit repair. What they will do is they will only dispute but so many, 2 or 3 items a month. And then they will charge you a monthly fee indefinitely, meaning that 6 months will pass, a year will pass, 2 years will pass, 3 years will pass. And your credit score is going up, but it's only going up by a few points. That will never happen at USA Credit Repair. You see, at USA Credit Repair, we've learned over the past few decades how to handle this. And that is the reason why I personally, the CEO, have hired people who used to work for the credit bureaus. I have people who used to work for Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They work for me personally at 222 Broadway here in New York City. Now, that's one. The other thing that I have done, I have hired attorneys, professionals who know how to fight the credit bureau. So for example, if there's something on your credit that we believe here at USA Credit Repair needs to be removed, and the credit bureaus are not removing it, then by all means, we're going to start suing. My attorneys are going to start litigating. The bureaus don't want that. It costs them way too much money, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 to litigate with us, and vice versa, ladies and gentlemen, just for a negative item on your credit or 2 or 3 or 4. There you go. Another thing, ladies and gentlemen, is bankruptcies, judgments, liens, all these things. Do they really belong on your credit report? I don't think so. You may think so. But why don't you let us give you a 100% free consultation and let us show you how we can actually repair your credit. Now, for today, I personally will be speaking with everyone. I don't know how much you know about my background. My first degree is in public accounting and finance, so I have a good knowledge about that. There's one thing they did not teach any of us in school, and that is credit. There's another thing that we know, ladies and gentlemen, we tend to want to choose the cheaper route, and you get what you pay for. So if you go cheap, you get cheap. But here at USA Credit Repair, what I would like to do for everyone is to allow you to get a 100% free consultation. However, that consultation is exclusively for today. So many of you out there, you're looking to lower your insurance. Many of us, considering the nature and the capacity of the atmosphere now, you're looking to buy a house. Many of you are looking to refinance. Many of you are looking to get a business loan or a personal loan. How will you go about it? Well, the good thing about coming to USA Credit Repair, not only will we repair your credit, but I can point you to a direct lender, not a broker, to get you a mortgage. I can point you to credit card companies that will give you a credit card. I can point you to lenders that will give you a personal loan and a business loan. Ladies and gentlemen, with an MBA, I can also get your business plan done for you. So, why not reach out to USA Credit Repair today? I'm not pitching you any money. Let me turn this thing off. I'm not pitching you any money. I'm not pitching you anything to do with any kind of financial nature right now. All I'm simply saying to you, if you're one of those individuals and your credit score is not where it needs to be, call us now at USA Credit. And ladies and gentlemen, the number that I'd like for you to call is 1-800-509-5751. That's 1-800-509-5751. Let me note it again. 800-509-5751. Or you can visit us online at usacreditrepairinc.com, or you can go to Instagram at USA Credit Repair now, or on Facebook at USA Credit Repair. Once again, don't listen to the hoorah or the hula. Make sure you do your due diligence. I've been doing this, ladies and gentlemen, since 1996, showing my age, but I want to help more people. I have helped thousands, tens of thousands of people to get a better job, to lower their insurance rate, put their kids through school. And ladies and gentlemen, even in the capacity of immigration, your credit is extremely important. Business loans, mortgages, and much more. Real estate and much more. I have the power, and I'm here to extend it to you. I am David Squeezaniki. I am the chairman and CEO of the USA Credit Repair Agency, and I will help you, and that's guaranteed, or I'll change my name. Give us a call right now at USA Credit Repair. The number is 1-800-509-5751. That's 1-800-509-5751. So if you have got late payments on your credit, even if you are legitimately late with those late payments, there are ways to remove those as long as they fall within the consumer laws. And believe it or not, they usually do. Even if you've got, ladies and gentlemen, a repossession, people have charge-offs, people have got bankruptcies, you name it, collections. Remember, a lot of these collection agencies are not legitimate collection agencies. So when they put these negative items on your credit, which is affecting you, guess what? That's where our legal department comes in at USA Credit Repair. So what are you waiting for? Your credit is not going to change overnight. And even if you pay off all your bills, you still have the old negative items sitting on your credit, affecting your credit. What are you going to do about that? No. Don't go out and say, well, you know, I've read up on the internet, I've listened to others, and I've seen all these things. I can repair my credit myself. That's what they want you to believe. So guess what? By the time you go out there, you write a letter, you do a dispute online and so forth, you screw it up and make it even harder for it to be repaired in the near future. You've got to speak with professionals like the ones at USA Credit Repair that will fight tooth and nail to get the negative items removed from your credit. Go with a company that has been around for 2 decades, ladies and gentlemen, plus. And that company happens to be USA Credit Repair, the key to beautiful credit. You call them now at 1-800-509-5751. Tell them that you would like a 100% free consultation. Tell them that you would like to speak with the CEO, David Squeezaniki, who has been around the block and back. I have been there, ladies and gentlemen. I have had bankruptcies. I have had repossessions. I have had charge-offs. I've had collections. I mean, those were decades ago. But guess what? By my having those experiences, I now have learned to help my community, which is predominantly the Black community, the Caribbean community. Although we help all communities, I want to personally help you. And I promise you and guarantee you this. Every single client at USA Credit Repair will be allowed to speak one-on-one with me and will be allowed to have my personal cell number, which is 212-380-7772. That's 212-380-7772. Let me show you how you can have a much better life with credit. Let me show you how you can own your dream home. Let me show you how you can own your dream car. Let me show you how you can have your dream vacation. Let me show you how you can have that wedding for your daughter, your daughters, and your sons. Let me show you how you can open up your own business, build your own business, grow your own business with excellent credit. Let me show you how you can get that money that you truly need for personal use or business use. Once again, David Squeezaniki, I came up through the ranks, and I'm here, ladies and gentlemen, to help each and every single one of you. You've known me from 93.5 WVIP FM. Maybe you knew me from the Bronx, where I grew up. Maybe you know me back from Jamaica, where I was born. But my job, in my opinion, as to why God put me here, is to help others by way of the experiences that I have had. Credit is power, not cash. Credit is power, ladies and gentlemen. If you look around you, look at all the other ethnic groups, look at what they're doing. They're using credit. Nobody's using their own money. We were led to believe that if you use other people's money, such as credit and so forth, you're an asphalt. No, that is not true, ladies and gentlemen. It is how you empower yourself. Your money should be invested elsewhere, making money for you, making money while you sleep. And you should be borrowing money at a very cheap rate, ladies and gentlemen, to reflect on your life in building things. So let me help you, all right? Once again, David Squeezaniki right here. Let me educate you a little bit off air if you'd like to speak with me. Speaking with me is free, all right? I am seriously, ladies and gentlemen, a certified financial advisor, but I will speak with you for free to let you understand more about the power of credit. There's so much that have been ingrained in our culture to believe, and that's the reason why a lot of us have not reached to where we were destined to reach. And I want to help each and every one of you, regardless of how young you are, well, you got to be over 18, regardless of how old you are, I want to point you in the right direction. What do you have to lose? Absolutely nothing. At least at the end of the day, you will walk away with more information, be more empowered to do what it is that you truly want to do with your life. Give me a call. If you want to get that 100% free credit repair consultation, call me now at 1-800-509-5751. Let me give the number a few times. I tend to be a bit fast. 800-509-5751. Call me right this second. Call me right now, and I will personally point you in the right direction. The number, once again, is 800-509-5751. Many of you out there, you're on social media. You're demonstrating your looks. You're demonstrating your toys. You're demonstrating all of that. How is your credit score? Can you demonstrate your credit score? I'm not lambasting. I am helping. Reach out to me. The number is 800-509-5751. That's 1-800-509-5751. Money management is important. Credit management is extremely important. Knowledge is power, but it's only power when harnessed properly. Reach out to me. Let me talk with you. My talk with you is absolutely free. It's cost free. It's just my way of giving back. I've built myself up to have a decent life, a fair life. I love entertainment. I love having fun. I do like my toys, whether it's cars, watches, hanging out with my friends or whatever. I enjoy my life. You have your ways of enjoying your life, and I believe that you should live it to the fullest. But how can you live it to the fullest if you're not taking advantage of, ladies and gentlemen, the resources that are being offered to you where credit is concerned, where money is concerned? Let me help you. My number, call me, 1-800-509-5751. That's 1-800-509-5751. 1-800-509-5751. Or visit me at David Squeezaniki on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and also visit USA Credit Repair now on Instagram or USA Credit Repair on Facebook. And ladies and gentlemen, visit the website, usacreditrepair.inc.com. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first step. Procrastination is the thief of time. Never put off what you can do today for tomorrow. It may be taken away. With that said, I will leave you with this. Call the number 1-800-509-5751. That's 1-800-509-5751. And remember, diligence with persistence for excellence. Have yourself an amazing day. I am David Squeezaniki, CEO of the Lincoln Media Group of Companies. Give me a ring. 800-509-5751. Take care. God bless.